Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, it's me. Today we're going to do some leaf printing art. This is super easy, you can do it with kids. And if you don't know where to start when it comes to nature art, this is definitely a great place to start because it's really fun. It's colorful and kids will love it. Okay, so all you need for this project are leaves. Obviously, make sure that you have a surface to print on. I'm going to be using watercolor paper because I like the feel of it. And then you're going to need paint. Now, you can use any type of paint. We're going to be using watercolors, but you could do acrylic, gouache, and even Posca pens work really well too. So anything that you have on hand, just go with that. Then you're going to need some sort of a paintbrush. Now the paintbrush does not need to be very big. I'm just going to be using a small paintbrush to show you guys how to do this technique. But if you want to cover more area, then you can definitely get a bigger paintbrush. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is collect your leaves. Now if you live in a place where there aren't a lot of trees around, then you can always buy fake leaves. I think those work just fine too. But if you do have access to real leaves, definitely use those because the texture and everything is just so much better. Okay, so I have a bunch of leaves here, and I've already kind of prepared them by ironing them and pressing them between some paper towels to remove most of the moisture. So they're going to last a lot longer. If you just have leaves outside, what you can do is just lay them out in the sun for a couple days. And then they'll become very crispy. And then you can use them for this project. Okay, so once you have your leaves and your paints ready, what you're going to want to do is dip your paintbrush into the paint. Make sure that it's fully saturated. And then you're going to take your leaf and you're going to press it onto the paper. Now you can do this in two ways. You can either press it down in one motion, or you can do a little circular motion to get more coverage. After that, you can either lift the leaf up carefully so that the paint doesn't smear, or you can just let the paint dry. And if you want multiple colors, you can always go over it again. You can see right here I went over it one more time with some more blue. That's the great thing about doing this type of art. You can always go over things, and you can layer colors. You don't have to worry about the paint underneath coming off. I'm just going to keep going around and experimenting with different colors and different techniques. There's no right or wrong way to do this. It's all about having fun and being creative. So just play around and see what happens. Then after that, you can add some little detail marks. Here, I'm just going to be using a pen. You can also use a pencil. And then once that's all dried, you can go back in and add some more little detail marks. Maybe highlight some areas that you want to stand out more. This project is so much fun, and it's a great way to reuse old leaves. You can use them in so many different art projects. This is just one of them. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you got some ideas for your own leaf printing art if you did. Please hit that like button and leave me a comment and let me know what you're going to make with your leaf prints. I would love to see it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.